First of all, let me begin by saying a big thank you. A thank you for following the diet charts. Thank you for trusting us. A big thank you making sure that you were able to and you tried your best at what we call as the phase 1 of weight loss, or for that matter let me now call it health gain. What we are supposed to do with any case at Balanced Nutrition is very important. Take it to completion. So the current weight that you are holding and the current compliments that you're getting are definitely worth its while, but we need to also think about something that is missing. Now is what we call as the beginning of phase 2. You were until now on diet charts that were high on fiber, moderate on protein, little low on fat, which in the last few sessions will slowly change. But what we have to now get ready for is a program called Body Transformation, an ideal phase 2 program where we are going to not only see changes in the weight but massive changes in what we call as inches, the tone of your muscles, the entire body, its shape, its tone, and you must also now start learning not how to behave or eat or train your brain for weight loss, but for something we call as weight gain in terms of muscle, which overall on the scale leads to a weight loss but a toned body. Complicated, right? Yes, well, we cannot right now afford to stop after doing the phase 1 program, and that is why we must ensure that phase 2 is completely fully taught to you. The diet charts in this are now going to be a little higher on protein. Something that you will need to learn is the role of coenzyme Q10, the role of vitamin B12, the role of zinc, copper, antioxidants, importance of class 1 protein, class 2 protein, and all this now we mentors think that you are ready to learn. Your diets will now come with the importance of certain foods, the importance of eating particular nutrient at a particular time, and we informing you what that particular nutrient was. We also add a protein powder, but that is subject to person and the person's comfort. You will not be getting fat burners at Balanced Nutrition. You will not be getting anything that is illegal, that is not allowed, or that we aren't qualified to do. So the end result of something like a program with Body Transformation would be a permanently slimmer, healthier and a toned you. Will we be able to do exercise? Should you be doing exercise? Well, again, that is person to person, and that is the reason we want you to do this program, so that you go out looking beautiful, looking handsome if you're a man, and making sure that we are doing our best to make this program a wonderful one. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in this client exclusive version of Body Transformation.